This video is a brief introduction to the GeoDeliberator tool. After a citizen logs into the system, they will start with the Forum tab. Here they can see a brief description of discussions happening in the State College area. For the purposes of testing this tool, our team has input discussions that have already taken place through the forums of the Center Daily Times about the Penn State pipeline. Because this is a controversial discussion in our area, we're able to utilize a large number of comments that were preserved in an online environment. When this system is introduced in the State College area, the forum topics will pertain to issues that are relevant to decision makers at that time. Let's suppose a citizen named Mary comes to GeoDeliberator and wants to learn more about what others are talking about in State College. She begins with the forum information section of the forum that she selects. And it may be directed to a brief paragraph and a timeline of local news stories about this issue. She can advance through these stories and learn more about each one with links to the story itself from the Center Daily Times or other blogs in the area. After reading about what has happened, Mary would then like to know more about what other citizens like her are actually saying about this issue. This keyword visualization may be used to show the keywords that frame what was said about the pipeline in the council meeting the night before. She can click on the keywords here and see how they are connected to other statements. She can also look at this for a particular moment in time. Another visualization, the Theme River feature, gives a better idea of the history of the issue as it has changed over time. Mary can now use this feature to see how the frequency of keywords such as risk or safety were mentioned at particular moments in time, more so than others. While the visualizations show the highlights of this discussion at a glance, lists of posts help gain a better understanding of how the actual discussion is linked to State College. In the map, we see 8 workable routes of alternative pipeline routes that may have been taken. Mary can select any one of these routes in order to see the actual expressed opinions and claims about these alternatives. Given an active facilitator, we hope that these positions will be supported by reasoning and justification that will help improve citizen decision-making. By clicking on each comment, we see more about what has been said in each one of these posts. Reading one of the threads of conversation does not give Mary the full picture of what has been discussed. She may wish to see a network of all the ideas and claims that have been made. She can do that by going to this visualization and looking at the network. Independent of where they are spatially located, she can select a new branch of discussion and learn more about opposing viewpoints about this issue. After reviewing this issue from various dimensions, Mary can then attach personal meaning to the issue and think about how she might contribute to the ongoing discussion in her local community.